As the evening light settles over Bologna, the city begins to glow under warm golden street lamps. The crowds slowly fade, the long historic porticos stretch quietly ahead, and the beautiful streets feel calm and timeless. Tonight, there's no rush, no narration about attractions. Just a peaceful evening walking tour through the heart of Bologna, letting you experience the city exactly as it feels after sunset. So relax, enjoy the atmosphere, and walk with us through the beautiful streets of Bologna, Italy. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. If you believe the best way to understand a city is simply to walk through it, welcome to Tripinn. Tonight, let's discover Bologna. One of the most unique things about Bologna is its endless network of covered walkways known as the Porticoes of Bologna. Stretching for nearly 40 kilometers across the city, these elegant arches create a beautiful rhythm of light and shadow that feels especially magical in the evening. As the sun begins to set, warm golden light filters gently beneath the arches, illuminating the old stone paths and terracotta walls. The soft glow of the evening transforms these historic walkways into something almost timeless. Walking here feels almost cinematic. Every few steps revealing another quiet street, another glowing corner, and another glimpse into everyday life. It's the kind of place where you naturally slow down, simply to enjoy the moment. Soon the narrow streets open into one of the most iconic places in the city, Piazza Maggiore. For centuries, this grand square has been the social and cultural heart of Bologna, where history and everyday life naturally come together. As we continue our walk through the piazza, the atmosphere feels vibrant yet relaxed. Travelers pause to admire the surrounding historic buildings, while locals gather around the square, chatting with friends and enjoying the gentle rhythm of the evening. Even during a simple walk, the energy of the square is unmistakable. Street performers add soft music to the air. People sit on the wide stone steps, and the entire space feels timeless, as if centuries of history are quietly watching the evening unfold. Bologna is also home to the famous University of Bologna, founded in 1088 and known as the oldest university in the world. Because of this, the city carries a youthful and creative energy that becomes especially visible in the evening. Students gather along the streets, outside cafes, and around small bars, talking, laughing, and sharing stories with friends. You'll hear a mix of languages, spontaneous conversations, and the joyful buzz of a city filled with young minds. This lively student culture adds a unique spirit to Bologna's evenings.
बैक पॉकेट से मास्क निकालना राइट वाली राइट राइट बैक पॉकेट में
As night falls, Bologna comes alive with energy and excitement. The historic streets glow under warm lights and the air fills with music, laughter, and lively conversations. Bars and cafes beneath the famous porticos begin to buzz with people enjoying the evening. Groups of friends gather outside small bars and wine spots, sharing drinks and stories as the city slowly turns into an open-air social scene. The relaxed atmosphere makes it easy for both locals and travelers to enjoy the night together. From live music and street performers to late-night walks through the illuminated streets, Bologna's nightlife feels vibrant and welcoming. It's a place where the evening naturally turns into a memorable experience.
Che cosa ti può collare addosso? Sei già stata punita per ogni sua distrazione o debolezza, ogni canina carezza, tanto per non sentire l'amarezza.
And that's the quiet magic of Bologna in the evening. It's not about rushing from attraction to attraction. It's about atmosphere. Golden lights under ancient arches, friendly conversations echoing through historic streets, and the simple joy of walking through a city that has been alive for centuries. Moments like these remind us that sometimes the best way to experience a place is simply to walk through it. If you enjoyed this peaceful evening walk, don't forget to subscribe and continue exploring the world with Tripinn. Until the next journey, keep exploring, keep discovering, and keep walking with Tripinn. Keep exploring with us. Dive into our Italy playlist and see another side of Bologna, a city where time seems to slow down.